Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria. Welcome to another video. I am so glad you are joining me today. Today I will be bringing you a BeeBeeCraft unboxing. If you're not familiar with BeeBeeCraft, they're an online company that has a YouTube program. And if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can join the YouTube program as well. And what it is you can choose $40 worth of items on their website. They send it to you for free, and you do 3 videos, an unboxing video and 2 project tutorial videos. So I've participated with them in the past. You can look back in my older videos and see lots of awesome things that I have gotten from BeeBeeCraft. They have all kinds of crafting stuff for jewelry making, scrapbooking, card making, rubber stamping, just all kinds of stuff. So definitely do go check them out. The great thing about BeeBeeCraft is they have free shipping on $25 and up orders. Also, they gave me a coupon code. It is for $5 off of $40, and it is Tiggeria15, Tiggeria15, and that is for $5 off of $40, and it doesn't expire until May 1st of 2023. So head on over there and check them out. I will put my affiliate links in the description below, and you can see all of the links to the products that I chose this time. So the first item I chose this time are these clear stamps, and they look like stitching. Let me take them out of the package to show you. It has like the zigzag stitch and all of these other stitches. As you can see, they are really cool, and many of us do like to add stitching to our cards, and I thought this would be a fun way to do so. And they are the clear acrylic stamps, and you just put them on a clear stamping block and stamp them, and I will show you more of that in an upcoming video. Very cool. In this one you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different stamps, and they measure 6 inches wide. So that would be big enough to add to an A2 size card for sure. If you hear a chirping or crazy sounds, that's my bird, Crichton. He's an African gray, and he's absolutely crazy. The other thing I got were these other silicone stamps. They're a layering stamp set, and it has like the hummingbird where you stamp the background and then you can stamp the outline. It has a 3-step stamping process, and it has the flower, several flowers, and several hummingbirds, and some really cute sayings. There's the back. So we'll be working with that as well. I think that will be a lot of fun. We have hummingbird feeders out in front of our house, and I really enjoy watching them. And then, of course, in true Crafteria fashion, I had to get some bling. You know I love bling. And I got this whole set of bling. And it has all of these packages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packages of bling. And let's go through them. We have this one here with the multicolored. And these are in strips. So they're really easy to take off the backing and add to your projects. Then we have this gold color. Kind of maybe a champagne gold color. And then just silver. What's nice about the clear or the silver is you can use Sharpie markers, Bic markers, Copics, any of those permanent ink markers, and you can color it any color you want. Then we have the smaller size in the clear, the smaller size in the blue, smaller size in the gold, and the bigger gold. And this is more of a yellow gold than this one here. I don't know if the camera picks up the difference. They look almost the same on camera, but in person, this is more of a champagne color and this is more of a gold. Then we have the smaller multicolored lights, or bling. I was going to say, I love to use the multicolor bling on Christmas cards on houses to make them look like Christmas lights. Also on trees. You know, I love to recycle Christmas cards. Then we have the smaller one in the champagne color, and the small in the pink, and the large in the pink. So we have the pink. Let's see, we have multicolor in both sizes. Champagne, I'm going to call it champagne in both sizes. Gold in 2 sizes. Silver or clear in 2 sizes, and then the small blue. That's a great pack of bling, and I will definitely put that to good use. I know you've seen me use it many times before, and I'm always glad to have more. And then this last item I'm really excited about. It might be my favorite thing I ordered this time, if you can believe it, beyond the bling. This is a set of, they call it fabric tape, but it is a set of these beautiful floral trims. And let me go ahead and open this up. And let me open one up so I can show you how beautiful these are. So here we have this blue one, and it is these blue flowers, and they have sparkle on them, glitter. They're so pretty. I'm not sure how many yards is on each roll, but it is a pretty big roll. And we have the blue, the red. I don't know if you can see it. I'll open them all. So pretty. And then the green, such a bright color of green. They are not self-adhesive. And then I won't open the rest. This is the orange. Try to get a good picture there. The pink. Very cool. And this is white with silver glitter. And this is a darker red. It looks almost pink on the camera. It's kind of a fuchsia color, a little different than the traditional red, as you can see. So we have the pink, dark pink, the red, the green, the blue, the white, the light pink, and then the orange. Such pretty colors for summertime. And of course, I'll be using these on projects, upcoming projects. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click that subscription button down below. And while you're there, please click on the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. I will be uploading at least 2 more videos using some of these awesome products from BeeBeeCraft. I'll be doing some 3-part stamping and using some of those stitches and some of the bling. And oh, I forgot, there's one more thing. I almost forgot. This pack of butterflies. Let me move this other stuff out of the way. It was small and it was hiding next to me. These are organza butterflies. And there's several different styles. They're sheer and clear. I have a piece of paper here I could put it on to show you. That's that first style. And there's a bunch in each little packet. There's that one. This one's a little bit bigger. Oh, this one's very pretty. Then we're going into some blues and purples, some peacock colors. But they're butterflies, not peacocks. Super pretty. And they're made out of organza, so they are sheer and very lightweight, and of course very flat to put on your cards. They won't add any thickness, really. And you can put a couple together, I think, and layer them. I'll have to experiment with them on cards in some upcoming projects. There's 3 more styles. That one's kind of hard to see on the white. It's a very light blue. This one is a dark blue. I can't wait to see this one. It's so pretty. That might be my favorite. And then there is one more. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. And there are, let me see how many there are in a pack. There are 10 in a pack, so that makes 100 butterflies. They're really cool. Of course, that one I think was my favorite. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos, so you can see some of this, some of these products in action. And like I said, I'll be doing the 3-part stamping. I'll be working with those, bling, of course, butterflies, and this adorable floral ribbon. If you like what you see, please do give this a thumbs up so YouTube knows to bump it up in their system so more people can find it. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I will put links to everything in the description box below. I will also put my coupon code in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.